Yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know what people have against, pizza. Pizza, like, ciao, bro. Bonne nuit. Wait. I don't know what people have against pizza. It's so good.
I don't know. I mean, like, I get it if at a particular location you got like a really bad pizza or something, or there's something really fucked up, but like,
But there's nothing wrong with it.
yeah.
Oh, it's so good. And I love the texture and the consistency. To each his own, but it's so good. Oh yeah. Nine out of 10 every time.